regardless of which way you see it, whichever point of view you have it, you take away something from this workshop. You guys are helping couples, get on the right path to where they need to be as individuals and as couples. So you, one way or the other, you come out of this grown into something more than what you did before. And even if you didn't want to, even if you were reluctant from the beginning, ending it, you definitely took something away, to impact yourself and could ultimately impact the marriage.
I definitely recommend this. I feel like we should have done this a long time ago, but like many couples, we don't come and seek help until it's too late. I wish I've had some friends go through rough spots and ultimately in their marriage. I feel like if I had found this and shared this would have been a lot of help. I'm so glad that this was available online. It's different from reading books, from reading articles, but actually hearing guidance from other people, knowing that other people are going through it as well. Our struggles are not original, and that it can be saved. And there's so many tools that we're getting out of this. I'm coming out of it more hopeful, knowing that I can change me and knowing what I did wrong. It's just such a blessing to be able to find this and go through this workshop. I would definitely recommend this. This is as close as Marriage 101 gets. If there's like a class that anybody should take, if you're getting married, if you're just wanting to strengthen your marriage, if you want to save it, this is as close as Marriage 101. It's smack in the head, a wake-up call. It's been a blessing. I really highly recommend it to everybody.